Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to play GTA Vice City, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Then search for Qwenk GTA VC. Click on the first website. Then click on Full Screen. After that, select the FPS limit. I recommend setting it to 30 FPS. Then click on Play Game. Now the game will start. It may take some time on the first attempt. After that, enjoy your game. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.